6, everyone. Day 6. Ah, man. Day 6, part 6. And there's a few more new pieces that I've never seen before. Like this piece here. This odd looking cape I have to put on my vampire. This piece. This piece. This piece. This piece. This piece. I think I tried these two pieces before, but I can't remember. And these pieces. Never heard of those type of pieces before. Okay, that's the same piece. That's the hamburger. So we're good on that. Now, let's put our Count Dracula together. The Count must be put together. Blah blah blah. Now, I don't have to put on capes like these on, but that one's going to be a tricky one. And if you see how I'm doing this cape, yeah. Come on. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh. Okay, let's put on the head real quick. Remember, these heads have another face to unmask. I might need another vampire head to look like they unmask him. There we go. Ta-da! Blah blah blah, I want to suck your blood. Oh no! Ah! Oops. Okay, do you guys saw that? Let me try that again. Blah 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 blah, I want to suck your blood. Oh no! Somebody save me! Blah. How do I dare? How do I dare? Honor would stop you. Oh no, it's Honor. Wait, where's Blade? He's on vacation. Dealing under the vampires. Now freezing. Oh no! Oh, oh man, my nose. Put this together. I'm scared. The noise. Dropping already. Eh, not this time, buddy boy. Excuse me, I just ate. Ta-da! Oh man, my nose. Okay. Alright. Sorry folks. Let's get back to the build. If I'm... yeah. If I did do that. Oh, now it's mixing up all my pieces. Let me just take this piece off. There's another thing to do. You can take off one piece to get it right. There we go. Put on these gate pieces. You shall not pass. Okay, I don't know why I said that. I guess I got Lord of the Rings in my head right now. Okay. There's gotta be either easier way. I mean, you guys can see like right there. There's the other pieces. Yay! Now then, let's see what piece goes where. Ah, there they are. Quite an old mansion, but with a working clock. The hand of time. Oh, wrong pieces. See, folks, that's why you have to double check to make sure you got the right pieces on. Because you might get something wrong. If you hear me starting to sneeze, sorry, that's be my allergies. Put that on the side. Take this piece. Now we can put this together. Mysterious piece together. If I can just get it together. Oh, excuse me. Huh? Oh. Oh, what is that piece doing there? You guys see just fine? Good. Yes, there's my whole cast right there. Taking a break. Taking a nap. Shaggy taking a nap. With a hot dog in his hand. Never worked with a hot dog piece before. Let's see. Back piece. Which way does it go? There we go. Does it show? Hold up. It's hard to tell which way is showing. This way. Ta-da! You see, oh, piece down. If you see, if you can't, his claws right there. Let me just pick up the piece that dropped. Okay. Time to finish putting this together. Plop. 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 A little trick I know. A little trick that I'm using. Like that one? Yeah. Ah! I didn't know that. Check it. Back to vampire. Back to back. Okay, it should be like that. Unless otherwise, nope. Pretty soon we will use this mysterious piece. Stay. Sometimes pieces does not stay. And they're able to move like that. And flop that piece in there. Put that piece in there. Okay. Just turn the page. Ah! Put this gear in. Nope, don't drop gears. And pop. That gear in. Wow, this rousers, there's a lot of gears. To this device. Rotation device. If I just can get it in there. Hold up. There we go. Keep that straight. Straight. Oh, sorry, my nose is going out of whack. Oh, come on. Pop these pieces in here. Turn the page. Ugh, this is getting boring. Who said that? Get the choppers. It was me, Arnold. Arnold. There we go. It was me, Arnold. Wait, didn't I already said that? Anyways, this build is getting boring. Click out of this video if you think this is boring. Honor? Yes. I made you. Like Honor? Yes. Don't. Anyways, it would be so weird if I... Yeah. Creep. My Lego Honor just call me a creep. Yeah, no. Nah. Anyways, let's get back to build. This build is gonna be quite something. Never built something like this before. Jeez, the build is getting taller. Yeah. Taller indeed. But how? Oh, great. Hold up, folks. Oh wait, shows me on the first on that page. Okay, like that. Oh, come on. Like that. Like that. Okay, we're clear. All clear! Let's explode this castle! Sorry! I'm still in my explosive mode. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. You were going to explore my castle, weren't you? Got the sticker all wrong. Okay, get it off. Shut up. Again, dropping stuff. Sorry, folks, I keep on dropping stuff. Now, where was I? Ah, yes. Always first to get the stickers on, so that you don't make a mistake like I did. Because usually it will be hard to get the stickers on when they're on the piece. Trust me. It happens. What am I doing? Doing it again. There we go. That's right. It's always good to get the stickers on first, so so you don't make a mistake. And if you guys are wondering, yes, Lego Arnold can get really annoying. There we go. Here's those birds chirping. Uh-oh. I think I busted it. Hold up. Come on. Come on. This is going to take a while. There we go. Don't know how that should go, but I'll fix it up later on. Later on, what? Time to put the coffin in here. The coffin. And this like so. The final piece. They use so much of those pieces. Did I miss something? Did I miss a piece? A few pieces? And where's the last? Oh, whoops. Ah. Should I put that? Should no. Yeah, I will fix the clock tower. Now then, I've been using my fusion card to fuse these. Fusion! Oh wait. Oops. Fusion! Oh no, is it like this? I'm trying to figure it out. And now, folks, and now, ladies and gentlemen, we can begin in the final book. Book 3, Final Directions. And we will start at part 7 with the ghost. Hope you guys will enjoy this. Hope you guys still enjoy this. And see you later. You will hear my one catch line that I have sooner or later.